An administrator in Google Workspace can see logs of email messages set in the admin panel. If your organization has switched on Google Vault, then Google Vault will take a carbon copy of every message in the organization and stash that copy in the vault. Can Google Workspace admin read my one-on-one chats to other colleagues? I like a colleague at work. and we've chatted some. I'm scared if an admin can read this. Is there any way I can delete it permanently without admin ever getting to know? Oh, wow. Well, this is Noob Master 69. As we stay in Australia, you might be up shit creek. An administrator in Google Workspace can see logs of email messages set in the admin panel. And when a conversation is created in Google Meet, a log will be made for that conversation, and messages being sent will create a log in the admin panel. Now, all that is doing is logging actions. It's not necessarily logging every single message. However, if your organization has switched on Google Vault, then Google Vault will take a carbon copy of every message in the organization and stash that copy in the vault, even messages that you then subsequently delete. And if you're on a Business Plus plan or an Enterprise plan, you get access to Google Vault. You can then apply it to all of the messages within your organization. Now, you can only save messages from that point forward when Google Vault is configured to retain all information. But if that's been configured in the past and you've sent a message, even if you've deleted it, there will still be a copy in Vault. Now, you may wonder, why is this useful? If you're a legal business, of course it's useful. If you're in financial services, of course it's useful. If you're doing any kind of consulting where you have some kind of compliance or maybe a defense contract, and you need the additional ability to save and be able to retrieve all of the data within your organization, even in the case of a malicious employee potentially deleting it or someone accidentally deleting something, Google Vault is an absolute lifesaver. It really is essential to businesses that want to be able to retrieve information just in case something happens. However, for other businesses, it may be useful in the case of accidental deletion. I had our CEO, Scott, send me a really important strategic message just last week. And he, instead of cutting and pasting that message into our task management app, Asana, which he planned to do, he accidentally hit the delete button from his mobile app in chat, and the message was lost. Now, he messaged me and he said, "Hey, Pete, oh my God, I just wrote you this great message. It was an amazing business strategy, but I'm a dummy and I hit the wrong button and I just lost it. I'm really bummed about it. Let's have a meeting about it next week." And me, being the clever cookie that I did, went straight into Google Vault and I was able to retrieve the deleted message, cut and paste it back to him. And so, yes, beware anything that you put inside a work-based application, especially chat. Basically, just assume if you're using a work account for something, your employer or your IT administrator can see absolutely everything in there. Just expect that. And in this case, for this person, yeah, wow, you might have to explain that to HR one day. The interesting thing is that #I'm not a lawyer, but most organizations ethically need to have a reason to go and dig into your messages before they just go and do that. Yes, it's fair enough that they should be monitoring messages for anyone who may be causing potential harm to the company. That's understandable. But reading direct messages between employees, I think, on an ethical basis, HR should really have a good reason for that, or IT should really have a good reason for that before they go and do it. Now, does everyone wait until they have a good reason? No, not necessarily. And that's why we have these kind of controls locked down to administrators and hopefully internal processes that would dictate when it is appropriate to go and read or view somebody else's messages. Now, all of this is ideally inserted into your employment agreement that you have with your employees or your contractors, that communications may be monitored inside the company for the safety of the business and for the safety of employees. So if you're someone who's working for somebody else, my advice to you is be very careful about anything that you put inside of a work-based app, no matter what that app is. And if you're an IT administrator or a business owner, make sure that that's in your employment agreement before you switch this feature on and start monitoring staff. Of course, seek the appropriate legal advice before you go and switch on a feature like that. And from there, make sure that you're not reading people's messages when you shouldn't, or when that may create distrust with your team. If you need more help with what we've covered in this video, IT Genius provides support services to businesses all over the world with problems just like this. Click the link below to get started.